Hello folks, last time you saw this show hauler, she wasn't quite as pretty on the inside as she is now. This customer had this vision of they wanted a new show hauler, but they didn't want to go and buy a brand new one. So they brought their old 2000 Renegade custom ToterHome for their race setup to us here at Leisure Coachworks to transform it on the inside to make it be everything that the new ones are without buying a new one and driving it off the lot. So now let's take a little bit of your time and let me show you on the inside how it was transformed and it looks like a brand new coach on the inside. You will not be disappointed. Put on that brand new grab bar, getting you safely up the steps. And what's behind door number 1 is nothing short of breathtaking. You could take an old ToterHome and turn it into this when you restain all of their solid wood cabinets, redesign it to where you have more functional space, get that nice ultra fabric to tie into those beautiful Villa Euro chairs, take that same colors, throw it up on the valances so that way everything looks like it's supposed to be that way. Brand new Irvine pull down shades, matching all of these colors. We stained all of the slide out. We put in brand new laminate flooring, accented by a black trim on the slide out. We had to install rollers on this room so it still can come in and out now that there's no carpet for it to drag on. We went ahead and took all of that old burgundy carpet out, put in a brand new charcoal carpet, and then we made a mat custom fit to fit in this front cab area so that way when you're walking in and out and this gets the most grease and the most wear, you could take this out, wash it up, put it back, and everything still looks fresh. Put in a brand new curtain complementing all of these colors. We had buttons created that tie into the same color so we could trim everything off and make everything look like it was supposed to be this way. And while we were at it, we put in all new LED rope lighting, accenting the front, this overhead, over here. And what used to be 5 cabinets, we converted these 2 and mounted a huge TV where it used to be this tiny little box. We've upgraded and put in a brand new Sony head unit over here, put in a brand new roof air conditioner with heat pump. When we were trying to figure out how to finish this off, because we actually took every single cabinet door off, sanded it and stained it and then cleared it, we wanted to overlay the inside to cover up that old color, brightening it up without having to stain the whole entire inside. One of the biggest transformations and the pop factor comes from this beautiful countertop. Man, this customer was like, man, I'm looking for this marble with the gray vein, and boom, there you have it. We tried 3 different sources. This is what we came up with, and it's everything that that customer wants. We complemented it with a brand new sink, new faucet. Over here we have a brand new 2-burner Dometic cooktop, giving him plenty of counter space when he needs it and ample amount of room to cook. Over here we put in a brand new microwave with a new trim kit. We've stained all of these cabinets as well. Another example of the pride and the craftsmanship we do here at Leisure Coachworks is everything's supposed to look like it was from the factory, right? And what I mean by that is when we brought this vehicle in, there was some beautiful burgundy carpet down here below. And when we finished this off, we grabbed a little bit of extra carpet, we cut it, we put it at the bottom of this cabinet to try to make sure everything is exactly how it would be if it came like this from the factory. The other feature that we wanted to update was putting in a brand new 12-volt gas electric Dometic refrigerator, so that way now this customer has all new appliances ready to complement this brand new interior. Over here we've made another trim ring that's went around this door. He really wanted a new screen door, but you couldn't find one, so what we did was we re-screened what he had. And then over here, we took the mirror off, we re-stained it and reset it back up there. We put in all new hardware, which you can see right here, and all the way around the vehicle. Just behind the bathroom door, you can see how we've taken those same colors and same tones. The way we finished off this bathroom is a brand new toilet, matching countertops, brand new stainless steel sink and new faucet, and then we had to stay true to our blending of everything and make a brand new valance and add the shades to match the rest of the vehicle. So next time you're thinking about getting rid of what you got, if you got good bones and you have patience, know that Leisure Coachworks will stop at nothing to make it be everything you want it to be. Watch that previous video and you could see all of the beautiful burgundies and those old and nasty colors that are gone to make room for all of this. One of the other challenges that presented itself when we started installing the rollers on this room is we realized that the entire wall was bowed out. So what we had to do is we had to put glue in there and we had to forcefully shove that wall in and then put a bracket underneath it to tie the floor and the wall together, making sure that we didn't have another area for all kinds of dust, soot, and debris to get inside that brand new interior. All made possible by the team here at Leisure Coachworks. So next time you have that late night vision or you're thinking about trading in your RV, stop, think, should I fix it up or should I get new? And if you come to that point, make sure you check us out here at Leisure Coachworks. Click on that bell to get notified of all of our future projects, or if you're in Fontana, California, stop on by. Over here we have a brand new two burner. If you have good bones, because you've been taking Centrum Sync a lot, boom. All right,